gammaCore can be used both acutely and preventively. Anytime throughout the day that somebody notices some symptoms beginning to escalate, they can deliver 2-minute stimulations to try to knock that symptom back. gammaCore is very convenient to use. It's small, portable, handheld. You can take it with you anywhere so that when the need arises, you can treat when and where you need to. To use the device, you would just put a little conductive gel on each stimulation head. You locate the treatment place, which is going to be right where you feel your pulse, either side of the neck. You place the device over that site and raise the intensity to a level that's comfortable for you. So the patient has complete control over turning that intensity up to a level that is effective yet comfortable.